In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ringtone on Facebook Messenger. If you're tired of the default ring or you're missing calls because it sounds like everything else on your phone, this quick walkthrough will help you switch to a tone that stands out. We'll do everything right inside the Messenger app, and I'll point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect on different devices. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. From the main screen, open the menu and go into Settings. Depending on your version, this may be the profile icon at the top or a menu button that leads to settings. Either way, you want the full settings area for Messenger. Once you're in settings, scroll until you see the section labeled notifications and sounds. This is where Messenger groups everything related to alerts, tones, and vibration. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Some devices tuck it a little farther down the list. Inside notifications and sounds, continue down to the area called notification preferences, then choose ringtone. This ringtone option controls the sound you hear when someone calls you on Messenger. It's separate from the sound for message pings, so changing this won't affect your chat notification tone. When you tap ringtone, you'll see a list of available tones. On many Android devices, this opens your phone's built-in ringtone picker. On iPhone, you'll see Messenger's tone list. Tap any tone to preview it. Take a moment to listen to a few, pick something loud and distinct enough to grab your attention in a busy room, but not so sharp that it's annoying over time. After you've chosen, confirm the selection. Depending on your device, that might mean tapping OK Save or simply going back, which applies the change automatically. A couple of quick tips to make sure your new ringtone actually plays. First, check that your phone isn't on silent or do not disturb, which can mute app sounds. Second, keep your volume at a comfortable level. If Messenger asks for permission to play sounds or access your device's ringtones, allow it. This is required for the change to take effect. And if you don't see the ringtone option at all, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. That's it. You've set a new ringtone for Messenger calls, and the next time someone rings you, you'll hear your new tone right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new sound.